bogs. These locations provide the ideal conditions for cranberry plants to thrive as they grow best in acidic soil and cooler climates. Before the planting process begins, hundreds of tons of sand are evenly spread across the surface of the fields. With approximately 21,000 acres dedicated to cranberry farming in Wisconsin, farmers must ensure that each field is thoroughly and meticulously prepared to support the successful growth of the plants. After the sand is spread, cranberry cuttings are brought to the fields, usually taken from existing beds with higher-yielding varieties. Workers carefully scatter these cuttings across the surface. Each year, around 4,300 workers are employed on cranberry farms across the US to help plant and care for these cuttings. Specialized machinery is then used to press the cranberry stems into the soil, where they begin to grow and take root. Patience is key when growing cranberries, as it takes about 3 years for the plants to yield their first harvest. During this time, the plants require diligent care, including protection from pests and fungi using natural probiotics. Weeds are also a challenge, requiring farmers to manage them carefully without harming the plants. Watering plays an essential role in maintaining the right moisture levels, especially during dry periods and when the plants need it most. As the plants mature, they enter the flowering stage, which usually occurs in early summer. This is a crucial time for cranberry farmers, as the flowers need to be pollinated to produce fruit. To aid this process, millions of honeybees are brought to the cranberry fields. These bees play a vital role in pollination, helping the cranberry flowers transform into the small berries we love. The time from pollination to harvest is relatively short, about 3 months. During this period, the berries grow in size and gradually ripen, changing from light green to vibrant red, signaling they are ready for harvest. Cranberry harvesting typically takes place from mid-September to late October, just in time for the holiday season. Harvesting cranberries is a unique process, unlike many other fruits. Instead of being picked by hand, cranberries are harvested through a method known as wet harvesting. Before the harvest, water is pumped into the cranberry bogs, transforming the dry fields into vast water-filled areas. In this flooded environment, the ripe cranberries naturally float to the surface due to their unique internal structure, which contains air pockets. This allows the berries to rise to the surface, making them easier to harvest. Before the cranberries are collected, they can remain submerged in water for up to 2 weeks without suffering any damage. Advanced modern machinery is then used to carefully store and sweep through the bogs, helping billions of cranberries slowly rise to the surface. At this stage, workers or automated systems efficiently and systematically gather them for collection, ensuring the process is as effective as possible. Each year, US cranberry production typically reaches between 7.6 and 8 million barrels, with each barrel weighing about 100 pounds. Wisconsin is the largest contributor, accounting for around 60 to 61% of the national output. After harvest, cranberries are loaded onto trucks and swiftly transported to processing plants. Here they undergo an automated sorting process using advanced machinery, which removes impurities such as grass and other debris. Next, they are naturally dried for 1 full day to reduce natural moisture, creating optimal conditions for the subsequent processing. After drying, the green chili is fried crispy, helping to increase its natural crunch and create a unique flavor when combined with spices. This process not only helps to preserve better, but also highlights the texture of the chili, making the skin peel off. Once the perfect crispness has been achieved, skilled workers continue to meticulously peel and remove the seeds, ensuring the product has uniform quality before moving on to the marinating stage. The processed green chilies are then blended with a special seasoned sauce, enhancing the distinctive flavor of peeled chili pepper. The seasonings are carefully selected to create a perfect balance of spiciness, saltiness, and the natural aroma of the chilies. Once the desired flavor is achieved, the product undergoes a strict canning process to ensure the highest quality is maintained during transportation and storage. Before exporting, each shipment must undergo a final quality check to ensure that no products are defective or substandard. Thanks to the meticulous production process, peeled chili pepper becomes an ideal ingredient for many dishes, from stir-fries and stews to special side dishes in international cuisine. With its unique flavor and elaborate processing, this product is not only loved domestically but also conquers the international market. Furthermore, green chili also has significant health benefits. They contain capsaicin, a compound that boosts metabolism and has anti-inflammatory properties. Green chili peppers are also rich in vitamins A and C, which help strengthen the immune system and improve skin. Okay, the journey of green chili from a tiny seed to becoming a flavorful ingredient on the table is a testament to the constant efforts of farmers. What do you think when watching this video? In which dish do you like to use green chili the most? Please leave a comment to share your opinion, and don't forget to like and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos. Welcome to our channel. Today we embark on a journey to cranberry farms across the United States. Here you'll explore every step of the process of growing, harvesting and processing billions of cranberries each year. Cranberry farming is a complex and fascinating process that lasts for months until the harvest and eventually turns into high-value products. Let's discover it together. Cranberries are not your... They grow on low-lying bushes in boggy or swampy areas, thriving best in regions with cold winters and moist soil. In the US, the largest cranberry-producing states are Wisconsin, Massachusetts, and New Jersey, with Wisconsin alone accounting for over 60% of the nation's output. Cranberry farming begins in early spring, typically from April to June, when cranberry bushes are carefully planted in wetland areas, particularly in sandy and peat soils. Green chili is a familiar ingredient in many cuisines around the world, playing an important role in both culinary and agricultural fields. Thanks to their strong growth ability and modern farming methods, millions of tons of green peppers are harvested each year from farms around the globe. But how are green chilies grown, harvested and processed before reaching consumers? Let's explore the exciting journey of this plant, the journey of green peppers. The journey begins with careful soil preparation. Farmers choose loose, well-drained soil with a pH ranging from slightly acidic to neutral. Before planting, the land is plowed and added with organic matter or fertilizer to increase fertility. Because green peppers grow well in warm climates, they're usually grown in areas with temperatures between 20 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. Farmers start by planting seeds in a nursery or seed bed. These seedlings are cared for about 4 to 6 weeks before being transferred to the main field. During this period, young trees need to be carefully protected to avoid impacts from harsh weather. Nowadays, the process of transferring seedlings to the field can be supported by machines, helping to save labor and ensuring that seedlings are placed in the ground quickly and evenly. During the growing process, drip irrigation systems are often applied to provide water regularly, helping plants absorb nutrients without causing waterlogging of the roots. These methods not only save water, but also contribute to improving productivity. In addition, controlling the amount of irrigation water appropriately helps limit weeds and prevent diseases caused by high moisture in the soil. Besides watering, adding fertilizer and spraying chemicals are also important factors to help chili plants grow healthily. Fertilizer provides essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, helping plants grow well, flower, and bear fruit evenly. Meanwhile, spraying pesticides helps protect plants from harmful agents such as fungi, bacteria, and insects, ensuring yield and quality of green peppers. Green peppers usually start flowering 40 to 60 days after planting, depending on the variety and environmental conditions. After pollination, the flowers take about 7 to 14 days to set fruit, and the young fruits quickly develop, reaching harvest size in the next 20 to 30 days. The harvesting stage requires precision in timing. If picked too early, the peppers may not have the best flavor. If left too long, they will gradually turn red. Farmers often pick chili peppers by hand to avoid damaging the plants and only choose good quality fruits. Harvesting usually takes place in the early morning or late afternoon to avoid harsh sunlight that reduces the freshness of the chili. After being harvested, the chili peppers are collected in baskets or sacks and quickly transported to the processing facility to maintain freshness. On large farms, several semi-automatic harvesting methods are applied to harvest chili peppers. Modern machinery supports efficient harvesting, reduces manual labor, and limits damage to crops. Thanks to advanced technology, the harvesting process becomes more accurate, helping farmers cut production costs, improve economic efficiency, and meet market demand in a stable way. After being harvested, green chilies are quickly transported to the factory to ensure their freshness. There, the chilies have their stems carefully removed and are thoroughly washed to eliminate dirt and impurities. Next, the berries are passed through a large dryer which uses propane heat to dry them effectively. Once they reach the perfect dryness, the cranberries are transferred directly to industrial cold storage, where they are stored long-term in a tightly controlled temperature environment. Before packaging, the cranberries go through additional quality checks using color and laser technology, followed by manual inspections. Once packaged, they are shipped across the country and worldwide. This process ensures the quality and safety of cranberries before they reach consumers. Cranberries are widely used in culinary applications due to their tart flavor and high nutritional value. They are often made into sauces, jams, or syrups to pair with savory dishes like turkey. Additionally, cranberry juice is popular not only for its delicious taste, but also for its nutrient content. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the process of cranberries. We hope you've gained some interesting insights into this unique fruit and the amazing work of the farmers. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit like and share. And feel free to leave a comment below about anything you'd like to learn more about. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on any exciting future videos. Thank you, and see you in the next video.